morning, everybody. How are you today? Hope you're good. Are you going to join me for 10 minutes of Walkfit? On the clock, have a march. Oh, we are so stiff from the week of classes. Anybody else? Let me know in the comments if you are. And Walkfit is going to make up a big proportion of the Menofit program that starts on Monday. So if you're just starting out with your fitness, this is fabulous to kick off with. Give me a march forward and then hold. What's the music? Carol, this is the mixtape Pride mix. Nikki might come on in a minute. It's awesome, isn't it? It's really fun, summery type vibe. It's Nikki made it for the Pride week which was when? July, August? One more. Now march it out before. So if you've not joined me for Walkfit before, this is Walkfit. This is what we do. We walk. It's low impact. It's fun. Easy to do, easy to teach. And everybody loves it. Walk forward. Here we go. Hold. Good morning. Good. Walk back. Hello, Lourdes. Walkfit today. Good. And hold. To loosen us up after a week of classes. March out before. See how many steps we can do in 10 minutes. If I've got any Fit Pros watching, let me know what you're teaching today. Carol, what are you teaching today? One more. Now with your right leg, just cross over and walk to the corner and then back. So we have like a little rock step. Good, and back. And again, rock over. The idea is in 10 minutes you get going with your step count. So if your goal is to do 10,000 steps a day, and you join me every morning for Walkfit, probably gets you maybe a couple, well, we'll see. Let's see how many in 10 minutes we can do. One more. Put it together. Walk forward. Good. And hold. Fitbit is broken. Gosh. Maybe an Apple Watch, but it's quite expensive. One more. Hold. March it out before. Here we go. Good together. Isn't this awesome music? Good together. Just keep it going. Now, if you wanted to work a bit harder, you could have some water bottles or some light weights. One more. Rock across to the corners. Rock. Good morning, Piggy. How are you? How was your classes? And again, rock across. It is. One more. Now let's add on. Box step. Forward on the right and then back on the right. So we just build up this big routine that involves walking. Good. Don't be a stranger, everybody. Come and say hello. Put a little emoji of a person walking if you're a ghost. March it out. Not back till Monday. Hold. This is lovely music, isn't it? Good, and hold. Doing core and balance. Get moving, Cambridge. March it out before. That's wonderful that you're involved in that program, Carol. One more. Now rock across. Here we go. Rock and back. Rock across. Now into your box step. Nikki, listen to this. Name that tune. I was just saying, I hope Nikki's going to come on because everyone was mentioning the music. It's the mix you did for Pride. Good. One more. Let's go from the top. Here we go. Walk forward. Hold. Walk back. Hey, Roo. Hey, Heather. And again, we are doing 10 minutes of Walkfit to get you all moving. Good, and back. March it out before. Come on, everybody. Share in the comments. What are you doing today? Good, and in. Is anybody as stiff as I am, by the way? I am so stiff. One more. I was going to do flex this morning, but I'm even too stiff for that. Rock to the corner, hence why we've got Walkfit. One more. Here's your box step. Good, now back. We are halfway through this 10-minute taster. Now we're going to do a rock over jazz square. March as the music breaks down. And march. Good again. And march. One more. And march from the top. Walk forward. What's so good about doing Walkfit every day? Oh, I can't wait. Is when you are starting out on your fitness journey, Just doing 15 minutes every day of Walkfit, it gets you into the habit. It helps you build a healthy habit while you're getting fitter. And you get used to then carving out that 15 minutes of exercise every day. March wide. And then, so it's such a good place to start. Good, rock to the corner. Walk back. Good again. Good and back. Just rock across. Can you send it back? Send it back. And again, here we go. Cross it over. Lovely, one more. Good, now take a step forward and a tap. Tap. I'll come forward. Emojis for walking are not very good. They are, they're really good. And again, here we go. Thanks, Lourdes. Good, come back. Just use Ultimate Divas. Again, one. For a band class. Oh, Ultimate Divas. I can't think what's on Ultimate Divas. One. Walk back. Can you do one more? If you were stiff this morning, I hope this is loosening you up a little bit. Put it all together. Are you ready? Walk forward. Hold. Next track coming in. And hold. Good, do it again. Good, and hold. One more. Take it wide for 4. Let's go. Out. And in. Great music, isn't it? One more. Rock to the corner. Rock. And again, rock over. Box step. One forward and one back. And again. And back. Cross over with your jazz square. March. Jazz again. Step tap. 1. If you've got the Pure Energy app, check out all of the mixtapes. They're really cool mixers. Fabulous for Walkfit. And back. Jazz again, let's go. 3. March back. Now we'll take a step knee lift, just as if you were a step doing step fitness, step aerobics. Basic step. Good. And again. Come on team, give me some emojis, give me some hearts, let me know you're there. Keep going for the 10-minute duration. And if you're new on the page, every morning I'm here, 7 with a 10-minute express health and fitness workout. Take it to the corner. There. Katrina, good morning. Knee. One more. Now from the top, walk forward. Here we go, walk. Hold. I love the mixtapes too. Oh, look at those hearts. And again, walk forward. Good, and hold. Walk back. Now hold. March it out for 4. We're nearly there. Can't wait to see how many steps you get in 10 minutes. And in. Rock across to the right corner. And back. One more rock. Now back. Cross over. Box step. Box again. One more box. Do, 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 do. Now jazz across, jazz square, march, jazz. And again, jazz. Yes, Nikki. Jazz again. One more. Here it goes. Oh, look at all the hearts today. Lovely. Step across. 1. Walk back. Quick Step Fitness, how are you? There you go. Where you been this week, Quick Step? And back. And again, here we go, step across. 2. Walk back. We're there, we're 10.5 minutes in. Last one. Good, walk back. And we are there. Marching on the spot. Now, if you have your step counter on, calibrate. Have a look and see how many did in 10 minutes if you join me from the top. We start on Monday, Menofit, 4 weeks. If you want to lose some weight, come and join me.